How to get a better picture quality from YouTube. Hey there everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. It's all will happen to us that you start playing a video and it automatically starts playing on the lowest picture quality available. It doesn't matter if you're on Wi-Fi, if you're on mobile network, it just starts playing on the lowest picture quality. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to set it to start always on the highest quality and get better picture quality always. The first thing you want to do is select your profile from here. Once you've done that, you should go to settings from right here. And once you open up the settings, select video quality preferences. Here, select higher picture quality for video quality on mobile networks, as well for on Wi-Fi. And now all said and done, YouTube will always start playing higher picture quality when you start playing it on Wi-Fi or on mobile network. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.